Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS colors. And right now we'll be discussing about CSS color values. In CSS, colors can also be specified using RGB values, X values, HSL values, RGBA values, and HSLA values. As you can see right here, this is RGB color value and the value is going to be like this: 255, 99, 77, these RGB color values represent like this. When you are specifying it using X, you're going to see hash FFF hash FF 6347. The same thing goes with this when you are trying to represent this using color name tomato. This same syntax. So I'm going to show you how all these things works in our future tutorial, because I just want to brief you guys about it. So you can, because I've also discussed about this in our HTML beginners tutorial, HTML tutorial from beginners to advanced. You can check our playlist where you will find this color. All these colors I've discussed about it in deep details. And also in this our CSS beginner to advanced, also I'm going to be explaining it much more better in this playlist also. So you should just be following along. But this is just, I will define a playlist for this in details, CSS color values in details, because it's a big topic on its own, because we are still having some things we have to do when we get to advanced level. So we are going to have this in a good manner. So I'm going to specify a playlist for you. You can check the CSS color value playlist anytime, so that in case I have any update on it. So let's get back to our let's meet in our next tutorial. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time, and to the